Good morning, children. Continuing with the chapter Simple Machine, today we are going to study about wedge. Wedge is what? It is a double inclined plane. Okay, it is a piece of wood or a metal which is narrow at one end and it is broad at the other end. It is formed of two inclined planes and these two inclined planes are attached back to back. See, they are attached back to back such that the two sloping surfaces, they taper to form a sharp edge. This sharp edge is used to cut, slice or push things apart. Okay, so it is also a simple machine. Why? Because it helps us to break down solid objects. The sharper is this edge. The sharper is the edge of the wedge. The easier it is to cut something with it. Okay, now there are some wedges which are also used to fasten things. They are used to join things. Those wedges are what? Nails or pins which are used to hold two pieces of wood together. What are nails? Nails are made up of two or more inclined planes that are joined together, and their sloping surfaces, they taper to form a very pointed edge. Okay, the sloping surfaces like this is one, this is another one, this is another one, and they are pointing up to make they are joining to make up a very pointed edge. Okay, so this is a pin or a nail or a needle. These are the examples. These are used for what? These are used for fastening things, that is for joining things. Clear? Then coming to screw. Screw is a cylindrical rod. What is screw? It is a cylindrical rod that is marked with winding spiral edge called thread. It is marked with winding spiral edge called thread. Okay. Screw is a rotating or winding inclined plane. How you see? We will verify this, how a screw is a special type of inclined plane. Take a piece of paper and an iron. This is an iron nail, a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. You have to cut the paper in the shape of a right angled triangle. See, this is the inclined plane, isn't it? Okay, you have cut it in the form of a right angled triangle and this is the inclined plane. Okay, then you wrap it round the nail as it is shown over here. What will you observe? You will observe that the sloping edge, this sloping edge that is marked in red, this sloping edge of the paper, it looks like threads of the screw. Clear? That is why we say that a screw is what? It is a rotating inclined plane. It is actually an inclined plane that is wound around a rod. This is a rod and it is wound around a rod. Clear? And the principle of the screw, also it is applied to the nut and bolt arrangement and the screw jack that is used to lift a car. Okay, what is a screw jack? It is a long handle that rotates around a screw of the jack and the car is raised up. That is the screw jack. Okay, what is a screw jack? It is a long handle that rotates the screw of the jack and the car is raised up. This nut and bolt arrangement is what? It is two winding inclined planes are made. Okay, one inclined plane is on the external side. See, you have nut like this, isn't it? This is the nut, and you have this screw. Sorry, bolt. Okay, this nut and bolt system, there are two inclined planes. This is on the external side of the bolt, and this is in the internal side of the solid cylinder. Okay, when this nut is given a circular motion, over this bolt, it moves up and down without slipping, and it can withstand a lot of load. Okay, the tip of the screw is narrow, sharp and pointed. Okay, and the head of the screw is it has a narrow slit. See, this is the narrow slit. Why is this narrow slit? It is used to turn the screw using a screwdriver. Okay, this narrow slit is used to turn the screw using a screwdriver. As this screw, it is forced and rotated into a piece of wood. It travels a long distance that nails do. Okay, and less effort is needed to drive a screw into a block of wood than to drive a nail. Clear? We need less effort to drive a screw into a block of wood than the effort that is needed to drive a nail. Okay, this screw, it grips the wood more firmly than the nail. Why? Because of these threads. You can pull a nail with the help of a plucker, but then you cannot pull the screw with the help of a plucker. This fastens wood more firmly than the nail. Okay.